In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites image carousel. Creating a visually appealing website can be quite a challenge, but with tools like Google Sites, it becomes significantly easier. One of the features that can make your site stand out is the image carousel. This feature allows you to showcase multiple images in a sleek, rotating gallery, perfect for highlighting your projects, products, or events. Let's dive into how you can add this cool feature to your Google Sites website. First things first, you'll need to sign into Google Sites. Go ahead and visit the Google Sites website, and you'll see a sign in button at the top right corner. Click on that, enter your email address, hit next, then type in your password and click on sign in again. Easy as pie, you're now ready to take the next step. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Google Sites dashboard. Here you can either choose to edit an existing site or create a new one. For now, let's assume you have a site ready to jazz up with an image carousel. Navigate to your site by clicking on it with your site open. Look for the insert option on the right hand side of the interface. This section is where the magic happens. It's packed with various elements you can add to your site, from text boxes to images and of course the image carousel. So click on insert, and amongst the options you'll find image carousel. Click on it and you'll be prompted to upload your photos. This is your moment to choose the images that best represent your message. You can select multiple photos at once or add them one by one depending on your preference. After you've uploaded your chosen images, click on Insert to add the carousel to your page. You'll see it appear with the default sizing, but don't worry, adjusting it is simple. You can click and drag the corners of the carousel to resize it, or use the tools that appear when you select the carousel to move it around the page. Feel free to play around until it fits perfectly into your site design. Now for the final touch, making your site live with its brand new image carousel. Navigate to the top right corner and find the Publish button. Click on it, but wait, you'll need to click Publish again in the pop-up window to confirm your changes. And there you have it. Your site is now publicly showcasing your stunning image carousel for all to see. Congratulations! You've successfully added an image carousel to your Google Sites website, enhancing its visual appeal and engaging your visitors with dynamic content. Remember, the key is to experiment. Try different images, adjust the size and placement of your carousel, and don't be afraid to keep updating it to keep your site fresh and exciting. And that wraps up our guide for today. Thank you for following along. Happy site building, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.